Hello friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna see how to use the file manager in cPanel. Let's roll out the intro. This video is available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to settings of the video, click audio track. Now you can change your preferred audio languages. I hope you have already logged into your cPanel. If you have not logged into your cPanel, in browser, enter domain name /cPanel by entering your cPanel credential. Once you log into the cPanel, on file section, click file manager option. Scroll down a little, click public HTML folder. To create a new file, on the left hand side top corner, click file option. Now I'm entering one file name seeka.txt. Click create new file option. Now we can see how to rename and create new file. I am doing with htaccess. Double click the htaccess and click rename option. I am renaming with htaccess.old name. To create a new htaccess, click on file option, create with the same name .htaccess and click create new file. Now click the new htaccess file by double clicking and click edit option. Now paste the htaccess and click save changes option. Now new htaccess file is replaced with your website. If you want a fresh htaccess file, I will drop the same code in video description. You can copy that. Now let's see how to create a folder. On the top left hand side corner, click folder option. Enter your folder name which you want to create. I am entering test folder and click create new folder option. Next, let's see how to disable the plugin. Enter the WP content folder. Click on plugin folder option. Select the plugin which you want to disable by double clicking and rename option and change to different name. Plugin will be successfully disabled. If you want to rename it again, then go to the double click and same rename option and set the plugin name. This you can able to disable the plugin on file manager. Let's see how to move file or folders. In public HTML directory, I am moving all the files and folder to test folder. Do so, select all the files except test folder which you want to move. Then click on move option. Specify the full directory name which you want to move. Now I am moving on public HTML test folder. So I am entering the test folder path and click move file. Click on test folder. Now you can see your all files and folder are moved to test folder. To again move back to public HTML, select all the file and specify the public HTML directory alone and click move file. Now click on public HTML. You will see all your files are moved to public HTML. Instead of moving, if you want to copy all the files and folder, you can select all the files and folder which you want to copy and click copy option. Specify the location which you want to copy the file. Next, to upload a plugin, go to WP content and click on plugin option. Click upload option here. Select the plugin folder from your local file. Click open option. Once the file is uploaded successfully, click go back option. Now extract the plugin which you have uploaded. Double click and click extract option. Click extract files. The plugin has been uploaded successfully. Now you can go to the WordPress and able to enable the plugin. Next, to download a file, select the file which you want to download and click download option. The file has been downloaded to your local file. To download the directory, you have to compress the directory file. Select the compression time, click compress file option. Wait for a few seconds to complete the compression. Once it is completed, now download the zip file. Select the zip file and click download option. Now let's see how to delete a file. Select the file which you want to delete. Click delete option on the top. If you uncheck the skip the trash and permanent delete box, the file will be on trash folder. If you tick the box, it will be deleted permanently. I am leaving as it is and click confirm option. Now file has been deleted and has been moved to trash file. To check that, click on view trash option. Now you can see the same file on trash folder. If you want to restore, select the file and click restore option to restore it. Now click on public HTML folder. You can see the same file has been restored successfully. Last option, to change the permission, select the file and click on permission option. For file, the file permission is 644. For folder, permission is 755. If this video helps you, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.